Today I am going to explain and analyze center counter defense chess wrap or Scandinavian defense wraps. I am going to explain and analyze part 1 video chapter 1 to chapter 5. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start with chapter 1 video. Okay, why black resign in 10 moves in center counter defense or Scandinavian defense? Let's start with d4. Okay, d4, e4. Okay, e4. Kings for 1 came. Another move of black d5, Scandinavian defense. Then e cross d5. Okay. Now another move of black, queen cross d5, queen cut the white pawn. Okay. Another move of white, knight moving c3. Now the knight going to attack the beautiful queen. So that's why the queen go to a5. Then knight f3. Now two knights come outside in white pieces. So another move of black, bishop g4. Now pin the knight. Then h3, white moving, attack the bishop by white pawn. Another move of black, bishop plus f3, cut the knight. Then queen cut the bishop. So another move of black, knight c6. Okay. Then bishop go to b5. Now pin the knight, black knight, white bishop. Next move, queen b6, black queen go to b6. Then knight d5. Okay, attack the queen right now. Then the queen is going to a5. Okay, another move of white, the brilliant move of white, b4. Now attack the queen white pawn. So that's why black queen cut the white bishop. Only way black queen need to cut bishop. So now cut. Another beautiful, the intelligent move of white, knight cut the pawn and beautiful check and pawn. Now the queen is wrapped. Okay, you can see right now. Why queen is wrapped? The check here, then the knight cut the queen. That's why black resigned this case. If move like this, the knight cut the queen. Okay, understand? Okay, this is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2 video, Scandinavian defense or center counter defense. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Why black resign in 8 moves. Okay. Why black resign in 8 moves in Scandinavian defense or center counter defense. Okay. First move. This is chapter 2, part 1 video, Scandinavian defense. Okay. Let's start with chapter 2, e4. King's pawn opening, then d5. This called Scandinavian defense. E cross d5, queen cross d5. Knight go to c3, attack the queen, white knight. Then queen go to a5. Okay. After the move d4. Okay. Brilliant move of white. Another move of black, knight go to f6. Then bishop d2, and now the best position of white is famous. Okay. Understand. Another move of black. Black knight go to c6. Okay, then bishop b5, pin the knight, then bishop d7, black the pin, and knight go to d5. Okay, if queen attack with white bishop, you can see right now. This bishop cut the queen going to cut. So that's why another move of black the defend the queen, knight b4. Then bishop cross b4. Okay, if queen is now wrapped, If cut the queen by queen, if cut the bishop by queen, black queen, the queen is gone because the check. Then king got here and beautiful drag. That's it. This is chapter 2. Okay, we can go now chapter 3. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3. Why black resign in 7 moves only? This is very interesting topic. You can watch until finish this video. Okay. Chapter 3. Let's start with e4, king's pawn opening, d5, Scandinavian defense or center counter defense. Okay. Another move of white, e cross d5, then queen cut the pawn, then knight c5, threatening the queen. Queen go to d6, then d4 pawn moving, then a6. Okay. Then knight g2, another knight come e2 and b5. Okay. Then bishop go to f4, attack the queen now. Then queen go to b6, then beautiful move of knight, knight d5. Now attack the queen y, white knight. This time white queen going to move like this. If cut the knight to the pawn, now check. If moving, then wrap the rook. That's why black resigned this king. Okay, this is chapter 3. We can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. Why black resign in 7 moves. This is amazing and super video. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's start with e4 opening, king's pawn opening, then d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight going to c3. Now knight going to attack queen, right? Okay, then queen d8, go back to his place, and bishop go to c4. Okay, then e5. Okay, another move of white, queen go to h5. If black moving g6, this is big blunder. That's why this game is black resign. You can see now queen cross c5 and we will check. Black the check way by black knight and queen cross h8, wrap the rook. That's why black resigned this game. This is chapter 4. We can go now last chapter. It's chapter 5. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 5. How to white wins white checkmate. Okay. How to white wins white checkmate in 8 moves in Scandinavian defense. Let's start with first move e4, king's pawn came, d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, queen cross d5, Scandinavian defense misses correct of variation. Then knight go to c3, attack the queen, queen go to d8, go back. Then bishop c4, okay, attack the f7 ischias pawn, white bishop. Another move, knight f6, knight f3, bishop g4, knight e5, bishop h5. Okay. Another move, queen cross h5. If cut the queen by black knight, the game is over. You can see right now another move, beautiful move. White bishop cut the pawn and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 5. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.